Have you ever dreamed of exploring the enchanting cities of Greece? Each filled with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes? From ancient ruins to charming seaside villages, Greece offers a plethora of unforgettable experiences. Join us as we uncover the top 5 cities to visit in Greece, where every corner tells a story. Have you been to any of these cities? Share your travel memories with us in the comments below. Number 5. Rhodes. Nestled in the Dodecanese Islands, Rhodes is a captivating city steeped in history. Explore the UNESCO-listed medieval Old Town, where ancient fortifications and cobblestone streets lead to hidden gems like the Palace of the Grand Master and the Street of the Knights. Relax on pristine beaches, enjoy water sports, and discover the island's lush interior dotted with picturesque villages. Number 4. Heraklion, Crete. Heraklion, the capital of Crete, is a vibrant city with a rich historical heritage. Explore the ancient ruins of the Palace of Knossos, where the legend of the Minotaur unfolds. Dive into the local culture at bustling markets, indulge in Cretan cuisine at traditional tavernas, and unwind on stunning beaches along the coast. Don't miss the Archaeological Museum of Heraklion, showcasing Minoan artifacts. Number 3. Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki, Greece's second-largest city, is a cultural hub with a laid-back vibe. Explore Byzantine churches, Roman ruins, and Ottoman monuments in this historic metropolis. Wander through lively neighborhoods like Ladatica, known for its tavernas and nightlife. Enjoy panoramic views from the White Tower and sample local delicacies like bugatsa and souvlaki. Number 2. Santorini. Santorini is synonymous with stunning sunsets and romantic charm. Explore the cliffside villages of Phyra and Oia, with their iconic blue-domed churches and whitewashed buildings. Visit volcanic beaches with unique colored sands, take a boat tour to the caldera, and indulge in world-class wines at local vineyards. Santorini promises unforgettable views and experiences. Number 1. Athens. Athens, the capital of Greece, is a treasure trove of ancient wonders and modern delights. Explore the Acropolis, Parthenon, and ancient Agora, witnessing the birthplace of democracy. Stroll through Plaka's labyrinthine streets, shop at the Monastiraki flea market, and savor Greek cuisine at rooftop tavernas. Athens is a city where history meets contemporary culture. Have you been inspired to visit these incredible cities in Greece? Share your travel experiences and favorite destinations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. We'd love to hear from you about your Greek travels and recommendations. Until next time, happy exploring!